Hi, I'm Slava. I'm the founder of Exprnces. One moment in my life completely changed how I see the world. When the war started in Ukraine, missiles hit Kiev. My family and I hid in a corridor inside of our apartment building. And in those seconds, under explosions, I realized something. Nothing I owned really mattered. The only things that mattered were the memories we had lived. And before that, I had traveled to more than 30 countries. And those moments stayed with me far more than anything I ever bought. So I decided to build something. Exprnces is a platform that helps people discover experiences around them. Artists, guides, creators, people who turn their passion into unforgettable moments. We started here in Los Angeles, and we're building it together with explorers, guests, and hosts who believe life should be lived fully. Because in the end, the things we own disappear, but the moments we live stay with us forever. So don't collect things. Collect moments.